How are you doing? Welcome back to English lessons at the Kampung Sawah Elementary School for the 6th grade with me, Miss Rosa. So today we have a new topic. We will go for the Unit 3 and can you read the title here? First, break the eggs. So what we are going to learn today, so please stay tuned.
We will make pancakes for breakfast. The ingredients are pancake mix, milk, water, eggs, and your favorite fruits. First, combine the pancake mix with milk and water. And then add the eggs. Mix, 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 mix. Now it's ready to cook. We will make pancakes for breakfast. The ingredients are pancake mix, milk, water, eggs, and your favorite fruits. First, combine the pancake mix with milk and water. And then add the eggs. Mix, 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 mix. Now it's ready to cook.
Okay, so from the video we can know that the learning objectives for this chapter you will learn how to give cooking instruction, and the second one, use adverbs of sequence to give instruction. Okay, I will show you some pictures. The pictures here are the instruction, the example of the instruction when you cook. So the first one, can you guess what is the instruction here? Yes, break the eggs. Can you say break the eggs? Thank you. Next. How about this one? Can you guess what the instruction here? So, slice the bananas. Yes, slice the bananas. And then, okay, how about this picture? What is the instruction? Should be, yes, mix the ingredients. Can you say mix the ingredients? And then, okay, for this picture, what is the instruction? It should be measure the flour. Yes, can you say measure the flour? And then, okay, for this, what is the instructions? Should be pour the milk. Yes, pour. And here, the instruction is add the flour. Yes, add the flour.
Unit 3. First, break the eggs.
Listen and number. Number 1,
Break the eggs. Break the eggs.
Number 2,
Mix the ingredients. Mix the ingredients.
Number 3,
Measure the flour. Measure the flour.
Number 4,
Add the flour. Add the flour.
Number 5.
Pour the milk. Pour the milk.
Number 6.
Slice the bananas. Slice the bananas.
After you listen the recording before, so here the answer for the recording. So can you check yours? The first one is break the eggs. Yes, break the eggs. And the number 2 is mix the ingredients. Number 3, measure the flour. And then number 4, add the flour. Number 5, pour the milk. And the last one, 6, is slice the bananas. So is your answer correct here? And then are you ready for the next one? Okay, so this is for the language focus for this chapter. So if you can see the box here, you can read first, break the eggs, and next, measure the flour. So if you see here the first word here, first, you will use the sequence words such as first, second, then, after, next, and many more. So here the example of the sequence words. So you mention the sequence words first, and next you will mention the instruction. So the instruction here example is break the eggs and measure the flour. So use the instruction words here, measure and break. So is that clear?
Listen and write.
Okay, class. Today we're going to make pancakes. Do you know how to make pancakes? What's the first thing we should do?
First, break the eggs. Then pour the milk.
Done! After that, measure the flour. Good! What should we do next?
Next, add the flour.
Then, mix the ingredients. Right! And finally, slice the bananas.
Okay, after you listen the recording, I will show you the answer now. Can you check and read the dialogue together with me? The first one. Okay class, today we are going to make pancakes. Do you know how to make pancakes? What's the first thing we should do? First, break the eggs. Then pour the milk. Done. After that, measure the flour. Yes, the answer, the first one here is after that, measure the flour. And then next, this next picture. Good. What should we do next? Next, add the flour. Then mix the ingredients. Right, and finally, slice the bananas. So, the answer for number 2 here is then mix the ingredients. And the last one, and finally, slice the bananas. Okay, so can you answer the following questions? What did Jeff do? So here, can you find the answer? Jeff? Yes, Jeff broke the eggs. So he broke the eggs. And then what did Rachel do? Rachel, where is Rachel here? So the answer will be she added the flour. Yes, she added the flour. What did the teacher say do last? So the teacher said this one. Slice the bananas. So is the dialogue here clear for you?
Listen and write. Number 1.
Heat the pan. Heat the pan.
Number 2.
Melt the butter. Melt the butter.
Number 3.
Fry the pancake. Fry the pancake.
Number 4.
Flip the pancake. Flip the pancake.
Okay, so will be the answer for the previous recording. So you have 4 more the instruction. Can you check yours? The first one we have, see the picture here, should be heat the pan. Yes, heat the pan, the picture like this. And the second one, the picture is this. So it will be melt the butter. Yes, melt the butter. And next we have fry the pancake. Fry the pancake. And the last one, number 4, is flip the pancake. Flip. So can you see the picture? Flip. Okay, so is your answer correct here? Okay, this is the time for you to speak up. So can you practice to mention the instruction? So this is the guidance. First, heat the pan. After that, melt the butter. So remember about the language focus for this chapter. The first thing you do is this one. You will mention the sequence. And then, after mention the sequence, you will mention the instruction. Can you practice now? Okay, we have the practice now. So this is the steps how to make French toast. The first one, can you fill the blank for this instruction? First, yes, break. First, break the eggs. And then here after that, so it should be pour the milk. Yes, you can see here, pour the milk. And see this instruction number 3. Then mix them all. Very good. Mix them all. And then next, the picture this. So next, melt the butter in the pan. Very good. Okay, we'll continue. So here still the steps how to make the French toast. The next steps. Then blah 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 into the milk and eggs. See here the instruction, the picture. So then put the bread. Very good. Put the bread into the milk and eggs. So next, after that, what do you think about this picture? After that, fry it. Yes, after that, fry it. And then this is the finally thing. So finally, you can serve the bread. So this is how to make the French toast. After you did the practice, here will be the reading section for you. Can you read the text from the student book, page 26 until 27? So I'll read the text for you. After that, we will have the question. So, can you pay attention? The title is Healthy and Strong. There are 3 things people need to be healthy: food, exercise, and rest. First, you need to eat healthy foods that give your body the nutrition it needs to do work. Have plenty of healthy food and water. Next, you need to exercise to keep your body healthy and strong. If you don't exercise, you will become unhealthy or weak. You'll feel tired and you may get sick easily. Finally, you need to rest after exercising because you will feel kind of exhausted. Your body recharges its energy like a battery. Make sure you do these three things to be healthy and strong. Now, can you answer the question? Number one, what will happen if you don't exercise? So, from the book, from the text, the answer will be you feel you feel tired easily. And then the second one, what do you think the word exhausted mean? Exhausted means being very tired. Very good. And then number three, you need three things to be healthy. Can you complete what is the missing word here? Should be first. First, you need to eat good food. And number four, what is the answer for this? Can you fill the blanks? Next, yes, very good. Next, you need to exercise. Very good. You need to exercise to keep your body healthy. So, is this text clear for you? Okay, everyone, this is the end of our lesson today. So, thank you so much for your attention here. You can repeat again the material if you think it's not clear for you. I will end the session with this quote from Robert Urich. A healthy outside starts from the inside. So it means you have to eat the healthy food. I will remind you again to stay at home, keep your health, don't forget to wash your hands, and wear mask. Yes, wear mask if you want to go outside. And thank you for me. Don't forget to like and subscribe my video.